Forex Puppy. Welcome to today's video. So guys, today I'm going to teach you how to draw the trend lines, and how you can use the trend line for some perfect entries. So in the markets, we have two types of trend lines, which are the up trend line and the down trend line. Let me just write this. So we have the up trend line and the down trend line. Two types of trend line. So we have two types of trend lines, which are the down trend line, or you can call it the bearish trend line, and we also have the up trend line. The up trend line, guys, you can also call it the bullish trend line. So we have two types of trend lines. So let me show you what a downtrend line looks like. A downtrend line looks like this. This one that goes like this is a downtrend line. An uptrend line or a bullish trend line looks like this. This is how it looks. Okay. So now let me show you how you can use the trend lines for possible entries. So like for instance, first of all, before you use the trend line, you're supposed to recognize the market structure. If you don't know how to recognize the market structure, I did a video. You can search for it. In my videos there. So let's draw a downtrend line. Why? Because the market is in a bearish trend. So and guys, always guys, the trend line is supposed to touch wicks. Here it is, as you can see. So as you can see, guys, this is a downtrend line or the bearish trend line. So most of the times, guys, for me, right, if I was to enter, using the trend line, then my next entry would be somewhere here. If the market comes to this area here, most likely the market can bounce down here. It was to come like this, it can come and bounce down here. You see, that's where it is. So for me, since we're in a downtrend line, right, so every time when the market comes to this area or to this trend line, I'm going to be looking for selling opportunities only. I'm going to be looking for selling opportunities. So as in, how can you know if this is a selling opportunity or not? The best way to know is by using candlestick anatomy. You understand? I mean, it's by you recognizing and what is the candlestick patterns. Like for instance, the bearish engulfing, the evening star, and everything like that. So such kind of things. So like for instance, right, if the market forms a bearish engulfing at this trend line here, this downtrend line, in a downtrend, then I'm going to take a sell. Like here, have you seen it formed a bearish engulfing there? As you can see, it formed the bearish engulfing at this trend line here. I could have taken a sell here. Why? After this candlestick, after the close of this, after the close of this a big bearish candlestick, I could have taken a sell. Why? Because we're in a downtrend, or because we're in a bearish trend, and the market respected the downtrend line and it formed a confirmation, which is a bearish engulfing pattern, as you can see. So I could have taken a sell here, boom, I could have been in profit. My take profit could have been down here. That's how it is, guys. So that's how I'll use the bearish the bearish trend line or the downtrend line. Yeah, that's how I will use it. So now I'm going to give you an example of a bullish trend line. Let me show you how we can draw the bullish trend line as well. Otherwise, the concept is just the same. Yeah, the concept is one and the same, just that in a bullish trend line we buy, but in a bearish trend line we sell. That's the way it is. Yeah, okay, so let's look for a bullish trend. As you can see, the market here wasn't trending because the market here was consolidating. So here we can look for a trend line here. Let me show what I'm talking about. The market was in a consolidation here. Look, this is what we call a consolidation. This is a consolidation. The market wasn't forming higher highs or higher lows. It was in the same place. So usually I don't trade such kind of market structures. The consolidations, I don't trade such. Yeah. So an example of a bullish trend line or a bullish trend is this one here. This is a possible bullish trend. As you can see, the market was forming higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. You understand? Yeah. So let me just clear this out. Oh, sorry about that, guys. This is kind of tripping. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So a bullish trend line. Boom. Start from here. You can see. This is a bullish trend line. So for me, in this trade, right? Oh, sorry. At this particular point, means if I was to trade at this time, I could have only been looking for buys only, only buys, only buys. Why? Because the market is in a bullish trend. So as you can see, when the market came to this trend line, it respected it. As you can see, it went up, boom, it shooted up. Yeah. Let me show you another example. The bullish trend. Okay. I think this is a perfect example of bullish trend. This one is. Here's another one. It's a bullish trend. So, have you seen what happened here, guys? Boom. So this could have been an entry for me. Boom, could have been buying here. You buy here, you buy here, you buy here, you buy here. I've been buying, guys, here. As long as the market is respecting the bullish trend or the bullish trend line, it means you only look for buys only. That's all. And your entries are at the trend line area. You understand? At the trend line area. That's where your entries are. Let me show you something, guys. So see, could have entered here. I could have entered here after seeing the morning star. As you can see, this is a morning star, a dodge here. As you can see, this is a bearish candle. I'm sure what I'm talking about. So this is a big bearish candle. Boom. After that, it formed some sort of dodge like that, a bullish dodge. You understand? And then after that, it formed a bear. And then after that, it formed a bullish candle. That's more like a morning star. And after seeing that, and we're in a bullish trend, on a bullish trend line area, for me that's a buy confirmation. I could have entered here. My entry could have been somewhere here. Immediately after the close of this bullish candle here, my stop loss could have been down here. That's where my stop loss could have been. My take profit up there. See? Yeah. So that's how I trade, guys. Most of the times, yeah, I could have entered immediately after the close of this candle here. After the close of this bullish candle, I could have entered here, boom, and I could have pushed it up to somewhere here. Could have taken my take profit somewhere here. Yeah. So, guys, that was a simple video or a very short video on how I use trend lines to find potential entries and everything like that. Yeah, so guys, yeah, as in trading is not very hard. It's simple, guys. It's simple. The one thing that's hard is the psychology part of it. That's all. Otherwise, guys, trading is not something to be scared of. Yeah, if you have the best education or the good education, yeah, it's not something to be scared of. Yeah, so yeah, guys, study hard, guys. Practice, master the craft, guys. You know, this is a skill, guys. And if you master this skill, guys, you can make money for the rest of your life if you know how to trade. Yeah, that's where it is. Yeah. So, guys, thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Yeah. Share. You can share our videos, guys. Yeah. And yeah, for those that would like to get in touch with me, you can WhatsApp me or you can follow me on Instagram. Yeah, the links uh, the links to my contacts are in the description below. Yeah, so that's all, guys. Yeah, I'm done. I'm out. FX Papi, guys. One love. Yeah.